A very good morning to all. Myself, Khushbu Balodia, Assistant Professor, Chemical Engineering Department, LJ Institutes of Engineering and Technology. My subject is Green Technology and Sustainable Development. Now in today's session of Green Technology and Sustainable Development, we will see the meaning of cleaner production, comparison of cleaner production with conventional process. So now, first we will see what do we mean by cleaner production. Cleaner production strictly avoids the end of pipe treatment. End of pipe here I means rather to treat the generated waste, cleaner production's approach is reduce the production of waste at the source itself. Earlier days, in the past years, what was the actual concept that rather than to treat the waste, people are simply ignoring the pollution that is happening in industry. Either their approach is towards the reactive approach, that means they dilute that wastewater and then simply discharge that wastewater into sea and river, and after that the approach was constructive approach, that means end of pipe treatment. That means treatment of whatever the waste is generated in industry as well as the treatment of emissions that is happening by the industry. But cleaner production is a proactive approach. Proactive approach, that means reduction of waste at the starting point so that we don't think about the treatment of waste either by changing the raw material, either by changing the process, either by changing the new technology and reuse, reduce and recycle and reconcept, right? So this was cleaner production. We will see cleaner production detail. So in a figure you can see that first in a earlier I can say in 1960 or 1970s, the approach was ignore the pollution and dilution of the pollutant. But after that slowly people are moving towards the end of pipe treatment in 1980 something. But after that some peoples and industries are thinking that one need to go about the cleaner production. So first we will see the definition of cleaner production. Cleaner production, that means the continuous application of an integrated preventive environmental strategies to process products and services to increase eco-efficiency and reduce risk to human and the environment. This definition was given by the UNEP, that is United Nations Environment Program. The definition says that the continuous application of integrated preventive environmental strategies. This preventive environmental strategies is applied to the product, process and service to increase the eco-efficiency and along with that reduction in risk associated with the human as well as at the environment. So collectively I can say that cleaner production covers the entire life cycle of any product, starting with the process, products and services. Cleaner production is a proactive and integrated solution to the pollution problems by eliminating or reducing pollutant at the source during the course of production process. Here, this is the main difference between cleaner production and end of pipe treatment is cleaner production is thinking before the generation of waste, whereas end of pipe treatment is treatment of waste after its formation, right? So cleaner production, here I can say it's a proactive approach which integrate the solution to the pollution problem by eliminating or either reducing the pollutant at the source, right? So this is cleaner production. Now cleaner production, as I said, it is applied to the entire life cycle of any system. So that can be for the production process, that can be for the product and that can be for the services. So in a three different sectors we will see what is the focus of cleaner production for the process, right? So first is for the production process. Here cleaner production focus on conserving raw material, conserving energy, it eliminates the toxic raw material, it reduces the toxicity of all the emissions and quantity of emission before they leave the process. So at the process step or at the production step, how we can apply the cleaner production? Main focus of cleaner production at the production stage is it will conserve the raw material, it will conserve the energy requirement, moreover that it will replace the toxic material with non-toxic material, so that whatever the waste is generated, that will be non-toxic in nature. So that is the focus of cleaner production at the production stage. Now after that, cleaner production is focusing for the product stage is, here cleaner production strategy is to reducing impact along the entire life cycle of the product, starting from the raw material extraction to the disposal of the product. So this covers the focus of cleaner production for the product part. Now third category, that is cleaner production at the service. So here cleaner production focus for the service is incorporation of environmental concerns in designing and as well as the delivering the service. That means cleaner production here thinking about the after the formation of product also. That means entire life cycle starting from the source to sink, or I can say cradle to grave approach is there for the cleaner production. Now we will see what we can understand by the word cleaner production. So cleaner production is a forward looking, anticipate and prevent philosophy. It's a anticipate and preventing philosophy that can be applied to any industry. So it considers the entire life cycle of any products, which includes product design, selection of raw material, production and assembly of final product, consumer use and managing all the used product at the end of their life. See, here cleaner production role doesn't get over after the use of that product, right? Here cleaner production also responsible for the managing all the used product after their end of life. That means whether our product is environmentally degraded or not, right? That is also a concerning part for the cleaner production. Now we will see the cleaner production by conventional process as well as a cleaner production. So what is there in a conventional process that we will see, as well as what is there in cleaner production that we will see. So cleaner production, for that I can say in a conventional production, products does not design for the waste prevention. There were no use of byproducts, as well as if we are thinking about the treatment of waste, that means those are expensive end of pipe technologies are there. Ultimately it will increase the cost of transportation and disposal of our waste material or the emission. We need to invest some we need to invest some money for that conventional production. So this is in a conventional production. Ultimately our entire goal was about the product itself. We were not thinking about the use of byproduct, then we were not designed our entire process so that there will be a less generation of waste. And if we were thinking about the treatment of waste, then it is a expensive treatment. So but in a cleaner production, what we are doing here in a cleaner production, our process which is designed for the minimum waste generation, and along with that it is designed for the maximum usage of byproduct. Here cleaner production's main focus is reduce the waste at source itself, and if waste is generated, then think about the reuse of that waste. Here there should be a considerable savings for the reduction in pollution control technology, as well as it reduce the waste treatment, transport as well as the disposal cost. Here main and biggest advantage of cleaner production is it will have a minimum impact to our environment. Now we will see the benefits of cleaner production. Whenever I use word CP, here CP means cleaner production. So these all are the advantages, or I can say benefits of cleaner production. One is improving environmental situation, conservation of resources, continuous environmental improvement, gaining competitive advantages, increasing economical benefits and increasing productivity. These all are the benefits one can get by application of cleaner production. Now we will see the cleaner production benefits in detail when if we properly applied a cleaner production concept to any our industry, then we will get this of advantages. Always we will get long term production problem, or I can say long term wastage problem, whatever that we are facing in upcoming years, that can be always reduced by implementation of cleaner production, right? Here sometimes cleaner production does not work effectively, so usually we can get that increased profitability and productivity by proper application of cleaner production. It lowers the production cost, it increases the product yield, it leads to the more efficient use of energy and raw material, it reduces the consumer risk, it reduces the risk to environmental accident. See here, by proper application of cleaner production to any process, usually will get those are the advantage, and biggest advantage is increase the product yield, it lower down the production cost, so it will increase the profitability. Moreover that it will reduce the risk to environment. Moreover that cleaner production suggests that use the more efficient method and use the source of energy which will be renewable in nature, right? So that will increase the benefits to environment, and as well as it reduce the risk to our human health and environment. Often cleaner production leads towards avoids regulatory compliance cost. Sometimes to meet the compliance regulatory, we need to invest huge amount of money. So if we apply a cleaner production to our industry, then some amount of money, or I can say in terms of cost, we can able to reduce, right? It leads to the insurance savings also, and it will require the less capital investment. It is not applicable to all the condition because cleaner production will require some cost, but in some cases like by simple application of good housekeeping, or I can say simple change in a treatment methodology will give you a huge amount of cost saving. So here I can say properly implemented CP will often results in a little capital investment. It will leads to the insurance saving. Also it will decrease the cost of regulatory compliance. So this was regarding the concept of cleaner production. In this we have covered the definition of cleaner production by UNEP, then we covered a conventional process versus cleaner production, and then we have seen the benefits of cleaner production. Thank you so much.